Hello students, today we discuss a new chapter of geography, natural vegetation and wildlife. In this chapter we discuss about the natural vegetation, its type and climatic condition for natural vegetation. Vegetation and wildlife. If we want to discuss about the beauty of our country, it includes the description of the natural vegetation, landscape, water, weather condition, flora and fauna. Flora and fauna, variety of plant and variety of animal. Okay. These are also relationship among altitude, temperature, rainfall condition and vegetation as well as wildlife of different area of India. The growth of natural vegetation depends upon the several factors like temperature, rainfall, sunlight, soil, height above sea level, etc. It varies from region to region. And here is chart of natural vegetation, forest, grassland and desert. Forest, tropical, evergreen, tropical, deciduous. Temperate evergreen, temperate deciduous. Mediterranean and conifers. Grassland, temperate and tropical, and desert, tundra and thorny bushes. First, we discuss about forest and wildlife. Forest and wildlife mainly dependent on each other. Wildlife and its variety also determined by the natural forest cover. So wildlife varies with the type of forest and vegetation. Tropical evergreen forest. Evergreen forest means Sadabahar. Evergreen, tropical evergreen forest found in region between the tropics where the climate is hot and humid through the year. Rainfall is heavy which promote thick growth of foliage. And varieties of tree also found, and thick canopies of the tree do not allow the sunlight in ground level. Hardwood like mahogany, rosewood, ebony are common but not in commercial use due to difficult because several species are found in a small area. These forests are found in Jeri Basin in Africa, Amazon Basin in South America and the parts of Southeast Asia. In India, Andaman Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep and some part of the northeastern region. Tropical rain forest is also called tropical evergreen forest. And wildlife, elephant, hippopotamus, jaguar, chimpanzees, monkey, etc. And second one is tropical deciduous forest. Deciduous means in monsoon, forests are also called monsoon forest. These are comparatively less dense than the evergreen forest and experience seasonal changes. Trees are medium height and shade. These are thick underground bushes and hardwood like cedar, sal, teak, neem, sesame, eucalyptus. Use variety of animal also, and in country like Indian subcontinent, Thailand, Vietnam, Taiwan, southern China, etc. Now, temperate evergreen forest. Temperate evergreen forest located in eastern margin of continent in warm temperate region. Countries like China, USA, Brazil, Australia. Mixed forest. These are mixed forest with both hard and soft wood tree. Main species of oak, pine, walnut, camphor, mulberry, eucalyptus, and the wildlife giant panda, deer, antelopes, monkey, bear, and temperate deciduous forest located at higher latitudes in cool temperature region. They are found in northeastern part of USA, northwestern Europe, North China, Japan. And these trees are not very tall, have thick trunk and broad leaves. They shed their leaves in the dry season. The common species of oak, ash, beech, maple, polar, redwood, and firs. Deer, fox, bears, wolves, bison, these are the commonly animal in the forest. Birds like pigeons and monals are also found in these forests. Tropical deciduous forest and tropical evergreen forest. Temperate evergreen forest and temperate deciduous forest. Okay, thank you. In next video we discuss about Mediterranean vegetation. Okay.